Choosing the right project management software can feel like navigating a dense jungle. You're looking for a tool that not only organizes your tasks but also empowers your team, streamlines communication, and ultimately drives project success. Two prominent contenders often emerge in this search: Wrike and Smartsheet. As a seasoned project management expert, I've had the opportunity to work with numerous platforms, and both Wrike and Smartsheet have their strengths. However, the question isn't necessarily about which one is better in an absolute sense, but rather which one is better for your specific needs. This video will delve deep into the core functionalities, strengths, and weaknesses of both Wrike and Smartsheet, presented in clear, simple language, making it accessible for anyone looking to learn or even write about these platforms for educational purposes. We'll break down complex features into digestible concepts, allowing you to make an informed decision. Understanding the core nature of each platform. Before we dive into specifics, it's crucial to understand the fundamental nature of each tool. Wrike. At its heart, Wrike is a robust, collaborative work management platform designed for managing complex projects and workflows. It emphasizes team collaboration, customizable workflows, and powerful automation capabilities. Think of it as a central hub for all project-related activities, fostering seamless communication and providing granular control over tasks and resources. Smartsheet, on the other hand, started as a more sophisticated spreadsheet-based work management tool. While it has evolved significantly, its core structure still revolves around the familiar grid interface. This makes it incredibly flexible for data management, list-based tasks, and collaborative data collection. Think of it as a supercharged spreadsheet that brings project management functionalities to a familiar environment. Key feature breakdown and comparison. Let's dissect the core features of both platforms and compare their strengths. 1. Task management and organization. Wrike offers a hierarchical structure with folders, projects, and tasks, allowing for detailed organization and subtask management. Multiple views like list, board, Kanban, Gantt chart, and table provide flexibility in how teams visualize and interact with their work. Custom workflows and statuses allow for precise control over task progression. Smartsheet leverages its spreadsheet interface for task listing and organization. While it offers hierarchy through indentations and parent-child relationships, it might feel less visually structured than Wrike's dedicated project views. However, its strength lies in its ability to easily sort, filter, and group tasks based on various criteria. It also offers Gantt charts and card views, Kanban. Expert insight. Wrike's dedicated project views and customizable workflows offer a more structured approach for managing complex projects with intricate dependencies. Smartsheet's spreadsheet-like interface excels in managing lists and data-centric tasks, providing exceptional flexibility in data manipulation. 2. Collaboration and communication. Wrike provides robust in-platform communication features, including task-specific commenting, direct messaging, and team discussions. Real-time updates and notifications keep everyone informed. Its collaborative editing features allow multiple users to work on tasks simultaneously. Smartsheet facilitates collaboration through sheet sharing with varying permission levels, in-cell discussions, and automated update requests. Its strength lies in its ability to collect data from external stakeholders through forms and share reports easily. Expert insight. Wrike's integrated communication tools are ideal for fostering seamless team interaction within the project context. Smartsheet excels in collaborating with external stakeholders and collecting data through its form and sharing capabilities. 3. Project planning and scheduling. Wrike offers interactive Gantt charts for visualizing project timelines, dependencies, and critical paths. Resource management features allow for workload balancing and capacity planning. Custom calendars and workload views provide insights into team availability. Smartsheet provides robust Gantt chart functionality with dependency management and critical path analysis. Resource management features allow for assigning resources to tasks and viewing their allocation. Calendar views offer a visual representation of deadlines and milestones. Expert insight. Both platforms offer strong project planning and scheduling capabilities, Wrike's resource management features are often considered more comprehensive for managing team capacity, while Smartsheet's Gantt charts benefit from the inherent flexibility of its spreadsheet foundation. 4. Automation and workflow management. Wrike boasts powerful automation capabilities through its custom workflows and auto-assignment rules. Triggers and actions can be defined to automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and ensure consistency. Smartsheet offers automation through rules-based workflows that can trigger alerts, update data, move tasks, and send emails based on specific conditions. Its automation capabilities are tightly integrated with its spreadsheet logic. Expert insight. Wrike's automation is deeply integrated into its project management structure, allowing for complex workflow automation. Smartsheet's automation is highly flexible and data-driven, leveraging its spreadsheet capabilities for triggering actions based on cell values and changes. 5. Reporting and analytics. Wrike provides customizable dashboards and reports with various visualization options. Real-time data allows for tracking progress, identifying bottlenecks, and gaining insights into team performance. Smartsheet offers powerful reporting features with customizable views, charts, and summary reports. Its ability to consolidate data from multiple sheets allows for comprehensive portfolio-level reporting. Expert insight. Both platforms offer strong reporting capabilities. Smartsheet's ability to aggregate data from multiple sheets makes it particularly well-suited for portfolio management and high-level overviews. Wrike's real-time dashboards provide immediate insights into project status. 6. Integrations. Wrike integrates with a wide range of business applications, including CRM, communication, file sharing, and accounting software, extending its functionality and connecting it to existing workflows. Smartsheet also offers a robust set of integrations with popular business tools, focusing on collaboration, automation, and data connectivity. Its Zapier integration opens up a vast array of potential connections. Expert insight. Both platforms offer extensive integration capabilities, allowing them to seamlessly fit into various technology ecosystems. The specific integrations offered and their depth might be a deciding factor for organizations with specific software requirements. 7. User interface and ease of use. Wrike, while powerful, Wrike's interface can feel slightly more complex initially due to its extensive features and customization options. However, once users become familiar with its structure, it offers a highly organized and efficient environment. Smartsheet. Its familiar spreadsheet interface makes it relatively easy for new users to adopt, especially those comfortable with spreadsheet software. Its intuitive design allows for quick setup and basic project management.